New tonight, more equipment and more life-saving training for Greenville City firefighters.
Yeah, the city fire department has been designated a rapid response agency by the Department of Health and Environmental Control. This should translate into better care for patients when there's an emergency. 7 News reporter Stephanie Borman is live in Greenville tonight with all the details on this. Stephanie.
On any given day, there's 250,000 people in the city of Greenville. That's 250,000 lives that firefighters can now save through critical care, the use of AEDs, and now medication that they can distribute thanks to that new license. Greenville firefighter Laura Hoover was an emergency medical technician before she decided to add battling flames to her resume. But as a firefighter, Hoover couldn't immediately put her critical care skills that she practiced as an EMT to use during emergencies.
There's been times in the past where we've run calls where had we been DHEC already, we would have been able to provide care sooner.
Now that the State Department of Health and Environmental Control has designated the Greenville Fire Department as a rapid response agency, firefighters can double as EMTs with the proper training.
We have around 60 EMTs right now, so we're able to have one on every truck at every station on every shift.
Hoover says without the DHEC license, the department was limited in what they could do, even if they were the first agency to respond to an emergency.
So this allows us to go ahead and initiate that level of care they weren't getting before when we were just first responder level.
Now, firefighters with EMT skills can administer EpiPens, use an automatic external defibrillator,
peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic,
give people aspirin, and treat injuries with tools from this red duffel bag.
And there's one of these on every truck now.
Hoover says the life-saving training and equipment is essential because nearly 50% of the emergencies they respond to are medical related.
We're pushing for all of our new hires to either have their EMT already or to complete it within their first year, as well as providing the opportunity to people that have been here to go and get their EMT certification to better serve the city as a whole.
The extra training and equipment isn't going to cost taxpayers any more money. That license is good for the next 2 years, but during that time period, DHEC can drop by any department here in the city of Greenville and make sure that every department is still following all those requirements. Reporting live, Stephanie Borman, 7 News.
I'm curious, Stephanie, how much of this is going on with fire departments around our area? Are they alone, one of the first, or is this something that's becoming more and more common?
So they are one of the first. Apparently, South Greenville Fire Department has already enacted this program.
All right, Stephanie Borman live tonight. Thank you.